Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Make sure your TV supports HDR10 and your PS4 has the latest system update. Once done, plug a quality HDMI 2.0 or higher cable into the TV's HDR-labeled port, then turn on both devices. On the PS4, go straight to Settings to avoid delays. You'll adjust output from there. Make these initial connections and software checks now so the console and TV can negotiate HDR capabilities automatically. This step prevents most downstream problems. Next, open Settings, then Sound and Screen, and choose Video Output Settings. Set the resolution to 2160p on Pro or 1080p on base models, and switch HDR to automatic so the PS4 enables it only with compatible content. Toggle deep color output if your TV requires it. Some sets work better with it off. Once you've applied these, launch an HDR game or demo and verify the image. You'll use in-game HDR sliders or the PS4 prompt to fine-tune brightness and peak highlights. Finish by calibrating HDR via the game's HDR sliders or the PS4 HDR prompt when a supported title launches. This sets peak brightness and preserves shadow detail. Make sure both the TV and game are updated, then reboot the console and TV to lock in settings. If you don't see HDR, try the key troubleshooting step. Swap HDMI ports and use a known good HDMI 2.0+ cable. Then turn HDR off in video output settings and back on. This simple reset often resolves handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.